My name is Simon David Jamieson and I'm currently the Customer Success Manager for Asia Pacific. Before I started working for Skycatcher, I was working as a mine surveyor in an open cut mine in central Queensland, Australia. Before we got the Skycatcher system on site, we basically used GPS units and also terrestrial scanners to gather most of our data for our clients within the mine site. Using a terrestrial scanner, you're limited by line of sight, so if you physically can't see the area you're wanting to pick up, the scanner won't be able to pick it up. So no matter generally how many setups you did, you'd always have little gaps in your data just due to not being able to physically get in a position to see that. As a surveyor working in an open cut mine, probably our biggest hazard is just the heavy plant, heavy machinery, so we try to minimise that as much as possible. The Skycatcher system allows us to reduce that severely because we're able to do our flights and data capture from safe areas and not have that interaction but still get all the accurate data that we need. The Edge is incredibly quick at processing data sets of the size of around 300 photos. Within 20-30 minutes you'll have your job processed and ready to go and export in the format that you want, whether it's a LAS file or a text file and ortho photo even. And then by the time we get to the office, generally the data's finished processing and we've got our final product without having to do any sort of manipulation back at the office. So in times when you can't use the drone for capturing data due to things like weather conditions and stuff like that, and you have to resort back to your previous methods, you can really see the massive difference between how you're able to capture the data using Skycatcher and back to those other means: time, accuracy, safety, all those sort of things. It's really highlighted when you've had something and then it's taken away from you for those short periods, so you really notice that massive difference. We've gone from using a terrestrial laser scanner probably around the 100% time to capture our large areas of data to probably using Skycatcher around the 70-80% and then using specific jobs for the terrestrial scanner. The majority of our work is now done with the Skycatcher system just due to its benefits and what it offers us.